Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the great modern horror movies that you have probably never heard of. Not everything on this list will necessarily be for everyone, but if you are a fan of quality filming that leaves a lasting impact, there will be something on this list for you. Calvaire. Belgian director Fabrice Touvel's feature film debut is indescribable in a number of ways, partially due to the fact that there is little to rely compare it to in terms of tone and plot. There are elements of torture and degradation as seen in the works of the director's contemporaries in the new French extremity movement going on at the same time. But as the English language title of the movie, the ordeal highlights, Calvaire is much more of a trip. The plot basically follows a traveling singer or entertainer who, after completing work at a secluded retirement home, becomes lost in the woods, and his experience with the peculiar local progressively slips further and further into the realm of a living hell. The Devil's Candy. Australian writer and director Sean Byrne followed up his breakout feature-length debut hit The Loved Ones with an even more ambitious debut in the world of American movies, and this never-shedding story of a family moving into a serial killer's former home does not disappoint. Part supernatural satanic shocker and part chillingly real psychodrama, The Devil's Candy is an incredibly intense ride even for the most seasoned of horror fans. Evolution. Lucille's very belated second feature film shares the creepy atmosphere of her much-lauded first movie, Innocence, as well as an overarching plot similarity. The sinister nature of the goings-on her isolated islands of children and overseers is, however, much more explicit this time around. She opts to tell her stories through notes and images rather than the dialogues, and even if you are not a fan of feeling your way through what is essentially a genre movie, it's near impossible not to spellbound by Manuel Decau's cinematography. Evolution is a strange but powerful take on the idea of watching someone else's nightmare unfold before you. Julia's Eyes. Fans of giallo and Euro slashers in general may find a more conventional Nights of Frights with director Guillaume Morel's thriller chiller about a woman who must solve a vicious murder mystery whilst also dealing with the gradual loss of her sight. But the real standout quality of Julia's Eyes would have to be its emotional drama. It would all feel too cold without it, and Morales understands that there is no tension if you don't really care about the characters. Session 9. When a struggling group of asbestos removal workers is tasked with cleaning out a disused asylum, numerous old ghosts and rivalries are stirred up with the walls of the buildings and within the workers themselves. Brad Anderson's low-budget, high-impact take on the haunted house genre and the pressured working class of America may well have been considered a masterpiece if released in another time, but sits in relative obscurity. Session 9 is a movie where the primary location does a lot of talking about the fine relationships and cracking minds of the ensemble cast. Particularly Peter Mullan's lead performance adds so much to the staying power of this terrifying modern American classic.